Da 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 na 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 na. Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. If you saw my last short, the old Makita trim router, gave up the ghost the other day. Saturday, I think it was. It's now Monday, so been out a day or so. I thought she just finally gave it up after many hours of use here on the old Onefinity CNC. But no, I think it appears I may have been the harbinger of my own doom. I was cutting this, cutting a little charcuterie cutting board out and got the legs done up. I did extras since I hate to waste that wood. And you'll notice here, the first couple, no problems. They went down. And somewhere right here, started getting lower and lower. And then you can see in there, it's cut clean down into the wasteboard. So I think my bit was slipping out. And it started making a lot of noise and racket. And that's what I thought, the motor was going out. I could hear the rattling and the light show. And it cut all the way through, it looks like. Well, minus about an eighth. It's through there. Oh, I guess it is all the way through. So, yeah, that was part of the problem. Trying to make a full thickness cut when it should have been doing about maybe an 1/8 inch cut. So, as you do when you got things to make, you got to go out and find you another one. I got on Amazon and looked around and thought, well, I got on the forums and everybody was saying, hey, these little Hercules models are cheaper and they work really good. So what did I do? I ran to the old Harbor Freight, the Hazard Fraught, and picked me up one. I think it was $89. So that's about $60 less than the Makita you can find. In fact, the cheapest one I found on Amazon was $129. So, and then Home Depot, which is my other local option, would have been $159, I think. So, save a little cash on this one, but is it going to be a payoff in the end, or is it going to be more of a money hole, money pit? Well, we'll see. So I've already unboxed it because they had it packed in there really good. I was going to show you what we got in the package, but we'll leave that over there for now. We got her all pulled out already here. You got the motor body, and of course with these you get the little handy guide, a little edge guide, bag of accessories, which kind of a waste of money because we're not going to be using any of those except maybe the wrenches and not sure what else they're going to. Knob, little vacuum port for dust collection. Yeah, we don't use none of that though. We go straight into the replacement. And if you just look, it's dang near a perfect match. A little different on the head size. It's 65 millimeters, it says, supposed to fit. So we're going to take her apart and see. So stay tuned. You want to see this fiasco go down, and we'll see how it works. Stand by one. All right, y'all, we're back. Had to go and get the proper tooling. I'll move this up so we can see it a little better. See how that looks. Oh yeah, good. So, let's see. We're already unplugged because I ripped that out of the wall. Waiting for the sparks to fly. We got a number 4 metric out of our good old Weehaw Allen wrench set. Let's see. I'll have to go with this one up here first. Pop the wire guide loose. I don't know if we can take that all the way off, but we'll get it up here a little bit. A lot of dust. Pull that out. Get the ones on the simple 4-bolt operation, hopefully. I probably should lower that down so it can come out of there, which I see now. So Take the Z down a little bit. Good time to get in there and dust off any of the... Oh, smells good. Smells like burning electricity. Sorry about the noise. A little loud. We're gonna pop in our Hercules. I think another good thing is it's got detents on the speed selector button, so hopefully that'll be a non-issue now too, where it rattles back and forth and speeds you up or slows you down. Should just slide down in there. Maybe not. Did I get the wrong one? Make sure I got everything out of the way. Back it all the way out of there and see if we're doing something wrong here. I don't think it fits. That's going to be disappointing. Maybe it's just off still. Maybe I need to go down a little more. That's all we got. Well, if it don't fit, we must have quit. Let me get a little start in there. Got something rubbing. All right, well, we're at a crossroads. Hold on. Okay, well, that took a little more than I thought. We had like a little burr or something on the base here, and it was just big enough for a bulge, maybe, I don't know, but it kind of hung up in the mount. So I smoothed it out a little bit with some sandpaper. You probably see the scratches there, and once it got past that up into the base, it worked all right. So we got it in there. Let's see, we'll turn it on, and it's about the same noise level, it sounds like to me, but it does have a slow start. And then the speed button does have a little detent. Feels nice. There's the low setting. All right, so that's in there. I guess now we just gotta get something laid out, and we'll try to cut it. I got a little piece of plywood I'm trying a little test on before I get any fancy wood in there. Maybe I'll just go make one right quick, cut a circle, and see how it looks, give it a test run. All right, stand by one. Okay, we got a couple of circle profiles we're going to cut out just for a quick test, and we'll see what she does. I'll probably speed this up because it's going to be boring, but if anything big comes up and catastrophic failures, I'll certainly let you know. We got just a 0.68 inch piece of plywood, so what is that, 3/8, somewhere in there? I'm not sure, I can't convert good. And my phone calculator is on the phone right now, looking at the video. So we're going to try it out and see empty what the speed settings are. I know they're in there. 3 is 20. Let's try 2. 18,000 is probably a little closer to what we want. Might even be like 1.5. Let's try that first. That's going to put us at about 16,500. All right, we'll try that. If it blows up, you'll know what happened. So, we got our file, we're loaded, we're ready. Turn it on. And here we go. Gotta get up to speed. Hit the continue button. Well, we got one out. It's a pretty smooth cut, except for that part it didn't cut on the bottom. So I'd say overall this is a temporary or predominant or early success. Not sure what the word I was looking for. Smooth. That's the same bit that was jacked up in there, so it may be probably due to throw that one out. But this one didn't cut near as close, but I think that's because I have a janky wasteboard now because of the amazing cuts going on. So there you go. Another fancy feature I just saw. It's got a little LED underneath there that's you can. I don't know if you can see it from there, but I saw it as it was running. So right now I'm impressed. It worked. It took just a minor bit of fitting just because it had a little bump. And we'll try it out some more and see. All right, guys, I hope that gives you some ideas or gives you a yay or nay on whether you want to mess with that. And we'll talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if you feel like it. If not, that's okay too. Y'all have a great day.